Hey folks, Serpent Trading here, and I've got another one for the watch list. After looking at the oil majors last weekend, I had a look at some of the other oil producers, but obviously Gazprom is more a gas producer. But it seems to be following a similar trajectory as the old oil majors. It's coming down to its COVID lows, and I actually bought a few of these shares um, back when it came down. I've been watching it for a little while. Um, if you want a really good fundamental analysis of this company, I would suggest checking out Sven's channel. I will put a link in. I can't remember his full name. I will put a link in the comment box down below, and you can go and check it. He's got a load of videos on Gazprom. He's a big investor in a big value investor, fundamental value investor. Of course, here we mainly look at charts, and I'm going to have a quick look at some of the fundamentals just quickly. Morningstar got a fair valuation of this at $7.74, and it's got a really low price to book ratio for 0.28. Stockopedia, neutral style. They've got a different market cap to what I've got on this one for some reason. I'm not sure quite why they've got such a big disparity there. Revenue seems to be the 2020 revenue. I can't find any other sources for the 2020 revenue. The last published figures on the Gazprom website state a 2019 revenue of I think it was 75 billion. So if that's true, if this is a true number, then the revenue has dropped. You would think that's down to lower gas prices, but let's have a quick look at the natural gas prices. Boom. And you can see it's been up. It's been going up the last 6 months, since July, last sort of 4 months. And yeah, gas prices have been going up recently, but if we look back in time, we can see I'm going to change to a weekly chart. It's just not going to fit enough on. Here we go. Yeah, we can see that gas prices actually have been drifting down for our last 11 years. Last time we had a major high was 2008. Before that, 2005. I mean, if you look at this chart, you can definitely say it's been sideways performance. It's not really been going up at all. Gas prices, though, for the last 11 years have been drifting downwards. I remember stories, reading articles that gas prices can't get any lower, and they have got lower, and they've hit their low back in June 2020. So yeah, gas prices are actually going down, but this last few months they've been heading up, and we'll see what happens when we get back up to this downtrend. See if they break through. But whatever happens really with these gas prices, I think Gazprom is excellent value. And I'm going to look at some of the technical levels. I've got to remember what the ticker code is for it. There we go. So yeah, there we go. I'm on a weekly chart now. So as I said, on the daily, it's been drifting down with the oil majors. We're getting down to this level, back to this price level. I think I bought just slightly above it, but I mean I bought because it was hitting this price level again, and I thought it was a pretty decent place to buy it. Haven't sold anything, still holding on. From a long-term perspective, to zoom out, I'm trying to remove that little orange circle I drew. Let's get right out and boom, boom, boom. Get the auto on. Yeah, so on this price chart, we've got a lovely uptrend back from 2001 up to 2008. Had a lovely trend up there, lovely uptrend. It absolutely broke through on the financial crisis back in 2008 and hit its lows down here, sort of $260 back in 2008, October 2008, and had a recovery up to $17. Then we've got a bit of a downtrend, not perfectly fitting within the parallel channel, but a bit of a downtrend to the low back in 2015, and that was at sort of $3, and it's traded pretty much sideways since then. Had a bit of a spike up back last year, 2019, beginning of this year, and obviously the COVID has smashed the price down again, and we've got this price level that I bought in at, which seems pretty solid. I mean, you've got sort of stage resistance back in 2004, and although it smashed through in the 2008, it has shown other areas where it's provided support. So it could be that this would be a good place to buy around this sort of price level here, or on the longer time frame, and I've already done a big circle there. When you look at these two lows, they form a little sort of support zone there. Trying to fit everything on there, and who knows, maybe if we do break through this price level, we might find ourselves back down here, and I think this could provide fantastic support. I think fundamentally it doesn't really make sense for the price to come down here, but the price doesn't follow all the fundamentals in the short term, and from a technical perspective, that seems like that would be an excellent place to pick some shares up. Let's have a quick back at the daily chart. I'm trying to moving around too much. It's getting confused. Zoom in. Zoom in. Don't draw there. Yeah, so the price has been really weak, and it's been forming this little downtrend channel. As I say, it's very resembles very much the oil majors, the sort of price movements we've been getting on those. That's a fairly big drop down from here. I mean, we're at $4, $4.1, and down here we're looking at more like $3. It's a big drop, but maybe political turmoil in Russia, some sort of issues in Europe. Yeah, I just saw this and I thought it looked quite interesting. So something I'm going to keep an eye on. I might pick up some more around here, and just but I'm prepared to buy a lot more. If it got down here, I think I'm going to really fill my boots, and I think I'm going to end it there because I'm almost at 10 minutes and I've waffled on for quite a while. So hopefully you got something out of that video, and that's definitely going on my watch list, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and listen to my waffle in the next video, and leave a comment, smash the like button if you got absolutely anything out of this, and I will catch you in the next video.